So here's how to get a full refund on Pandabuy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Pandabuy app. Once you are there, now here you have to simply click on the account option. Moving on, here you will be able to view the option of orders. Click on this order option here. Now here you will be able to view your recently added orders. Here you have to first click on the cancel order option. After cancelling your order, now you will be able to view the option to get a refund. Click on this get a refund option. Now you will be able to get the full refund of your recently placed order. So that's how to get a full refund on Pandabuy.